Millions watching. Let's get ready to rumble!
Ladies and gentlemen, we are about to start the cyber war between Haiti and the Dominican Republic. Before we do so, let's listen to the national anthem of Haiti, then the Dominican Republic. I gotcha. You expected war, right? A message to the Haitians and the Dominicans. Peace. Not war. Two neighbors can live in peace, if they choose to do so.
Todo por la paz, por la amistad, la fe y la armonía, por la esperanza y la vida eterna.
Let's drink to peace.
Hey, what's up, everybody? How you doing? This is Kat Zaluna and
Yo, this is Michael Jackson, man.
Wyclef John, and we're here chilling.
Yo, Kat, listen. Alright, yo, I heard some of your album. It sounded crazy.
Thank you. I heard some of your album. That is crazy. We about to take over this year to the show. Can't nobody. I don't think they're ready for it.
Yo, Dominicans and the Haitians.
It's on. Hey,
Bullet.
and we're like the same islands, Dominicans
It's one
and Haitians.
island, man. Espanol, like everybody unite. You know what I mean? All that war going on, Dominican and Haiti, all that beef. Look, we have just squashed it. Keep it moving on some positivity.
Definitely.
You know
Nothing but love right here.
Yo,
So
you
guys
got a hot smile.
Let's drink to peace.
Yes, man!